Hopping back into the Systems Accelerator Manager, the dashboard is actually our home page. And we did that for a very important reason, because ultimately you want to start your time inside the Systems Accelerator Manager quickly reviewing these things. So let's go ahead and look at each of these different sections. After that, on the right-hand side, we have the conversions, operations, retentions, experience, and number of generations. So this is what I call our core score because it's showcasing to you guys the number of resources we've created inside the Systems Accelerator Manager. And we can look at that through the number of generations and then the specific areas that they all fall into. Now, you'll notice that I have 15 in the conversion side, which is all about bringing in leads, but I have 0 in the past client retentions side, right? And so that gives a clue to me. I need to focus on my past clients. I need to balance my core score, if you will, and I need to start getting some more of there. Now, the ultimate goal, make sure that those are balanced as they move up. But again, if you'd like, you can click into that. It's going to take you to all of your saved templates, and you can look at all these generations that you've made specifically for that conversions section or specifically for that operations section. So from the dashboard, we can quickly move in to see, oh, what is my list of all of the different conversions pieces that I've generated?